There's a lot of misconceptions around people with disabilities. I think people with disabilities absolutely deserve a seat at the table. My older sister has autism, my younger brother has Down syndrome, and my little sister has Down syndrome. All three of my siblings are some of the most capable people I know. They deserve to work and they deserve a place in society. In 2016, we started a coffee shop called Biddy and Beau's Coffee. 120 employees with disabilities working all up and down the East Coast. We're trying to show the world that people with disabilities deserve a place in the workforce, because they can really elevate a business, and your perception around people with disabilities can be broken in just a second. I just would encourage businesses that don't have someone with a disability on their staff to consider it. The interactions people have had with our employees are very special, and they're remembered by every single customer that comes in. My name is Grace Wright, and I'm ready to make change.